Okay, so I am in the San Fernando Valley in my van, and I really hope that the cops don't show up and tell me that I need to leave. It's so quiet. There's busyness on the street. I can hear cars going by, but I've got the covers on my windshield, and I don't want to show you because I don't want to flash any lights and draw any attention to the fact that I am inside my little stealth van. Um, but wish me luck. Good night, everyone. So, last night was day 3 on the street. Now, it kind of sounds like I'm a homeless person, but I'm not. It's been awesome. Totally uneventful. The challenges are learning how to hold, having to go to the bathroom because I forgot to bring my little pee bags. Look at me, I'm all tired looking. I'm going to share let's see if I can switch over. I parked on a residential street. And last night it was about, I want to say 11 when I was looking for a spot, and I drove around to a lot of places, and I tried to kind of keep it to where there were apartment buildings, but either there was no parking because of all the people that live in those buildings, and oh, look at the cute squirrel, or the street wasn't level. If you look at the street, it's got kind of a frowny curve, and that's so the rain can run into the gutter, and that doesn't make for good sleeping in your vehicle. So I went to Home Depot when I very first got my van ready to go, and I bought a teeny tiny level. Now, when you have a small van, whatever's going on in the front is also going to go on in the back, and this is the level. I actually parked just behind me, down about a block, but I thought I'd share this with you anyway. And so I'll put the level up here and see. Now, if the street hadn't been curved and it'd be flat, then that's for a good night's sleep. This, not so much. But I love this little level. It's super handy, and then I can also level it out this way, but that usually is not the issue. It's kind of whether the van is tilted this way or that. But it's been great. 3 nights sleeping super comfy. It's kind of time. This is the bed again. See the dog back there? It is time to start putting things away. So when I park, I immediately throw up my shields, and then I crawl to the back and I change for bed. And so all my clothes are kind of thrown on the side and just tucked on the side. I need to pack them back. But I head to Carlsbad to see my parents and take a shower, and then I film on Saturday. So I'm going to spend the day down there. I got to come back up to Culver City, where I'm going to be filming a day with a web series here in Los Angeles. And then maybe I can find somebody to climb with in St. George.